Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will show how to reset Ford Fiesta transmission. Start by warming the engine and ensuring safe parking brake engagement, then power cycle the ignition and battery if needed. Check transmission fluid level and quality, and follow the gear cycling routine in neutral and drive positions to help the adaptive computer relearn. Finish with a short test drive and recheck fluid and behavior to confirm the reset worked. Begin the step-by-step reset by warming the vehicle and placing it on level ground with the parking brake set. Turn the ignition to accessory then off to clear minor electronic glitches, then start and follow the recommended gear sequence slowly, holding each gear a few seconds. If symptoms persist, consider disconnecting the battery briefly or using a scan tool to clear adaptive values, then complete a calm test drive to finalize the relearn process. Quick recommendation: if you find these car tips useful, please subscribe and like the video to support more content. On another note, the Echo Dot smart speaker is great for playing how-to playlists and hands-free timers while you work on your Fiesta, and it fits neatly on a workbench or shelf. Check the description for the link and other deals, and thanks for watching. Now let's get back to the video. If reset steps don't fix the problem, inspect basic items like fluid, mounts, and leaks before assuming electronic failure. Use an OBD-ROMAN2 scanner to capture transmission codes and note any irregular sensor readings, then consult service procedures for those specific codes. Consider fluid and filter service if maintenance is overdue, and replace faulty sensors or solenoids as indicated so the transmission can relearn effectively after a proper mechanical fix.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.